Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. It is class 9th, chapter 6, tissue, and it is lecture number 4. As in my previous lecture, I told you about the first type of protective tissue, and that was parenchyma. Now, we will learn about the second type of protective tissue, collenchyma. In this, first characteristic is that cells of this tissue are living. In parenchyma also, cells were living, and in collenchyma also, the cells are living. Second point is, it consists of irregularly thickened wall at the corners. As you can see in the diagram, the cell walls are thickened at the corners. These red portions you can see, these are the corners of the cells, and these are thickened due to the deposition of cellulose. And then next point is there is very little intercellular space. In parenchyma, there was large spaces between the cells, but in collenchyma, there is very little space between the cells. That is called intercellular space. So this is all about the structure of collenchyma tissue. Now we come to the functions of this. First function is it provides the flexibility to the plant parts. It gives flexibility. Okay. Second point, it provides mechanical support to the plants. It means it gives structural strength to the plants. That is called mechanical support. And then it gives easy bending in various parts of the plant. So these are the functions you can note down. Now I have shown you the diagram, that is transverse section and longitudinal section. A part is transverse section and second is longitudinal section of collenchyma tissue. Here you can see the cell wall is thickened at the corners and very little intercellular spaces are present. It is clear from the diagram. So in all the types of tissues, first part, second, that is A part means transverse section is the important diagram. In your exam you can draw these diagrams. A part, that is transverse section. Now let us move to the third type of protective tissue, and that is sclerenchyma tissue. In sclerenchyma tissue, the cells are dead. In parenchyma and collenchyma, you have seen the cells were living, but in this the cells are dead, and it consists of extremely thick walled cell made up of lignin. Means the cells are thick walled. The cell wall is regularly thickened. And why it is thickened? Because it is made up of lignin. And what is lignin? In bracket I have given the definition of lignin. It is a substance which acts as a cement. You know, cement gives the hardness to the surface. So it acts as a cement and hardens them. Means it gives stiffness, rigidity to the plants. So it is present at the hard parts of the plant. And there is no intercellular spaces also. As you can see in the diagram, the intercellular spaces are not there. The cell walls are very thick. And a very good example I am giving you here of sclerenchyma tissue, that is husk of coconut. You might have seen the browny part, the hairy part on the outside covering of the coconut, that is called husk. And that is made up of sclerenchyma tissue. So it gives hardness to the plant parts. And its functions are, it provides strength to the plant parts because it is giving hardness to the plants. So it is giving the strength to the plant parts, and it makes it hard and stiff. So basically the hard parts, they are made up of sclerenchyma tissue, and it gives a strength to the plants. Okay. Now I am showing you the transverse and longitudinal section of this type of tissue. Now you can also write the differences of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. This is the exercise question also in your book. Differentiate between parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissue. So you can write all the differences between these three types of tissues, and you will draw the diagrams also. Now you can see the diagram. Here I have shown you the transverse and longitudinal section of sclerenchyma tissue. In this diagram you can see the cell wall is very thickened, that is made up of lignin, and there are no intercellular spaces between the cells. Here in this picture you can see this. So all these are the types. Thank you.